Hello my dear friends, welcome to my channel. In this video, I will teach you 10 basic stitches in embroidery. Number 1. Back stitch. We bring the needle to the fabric and bring it back into the fabric about half an inch ahead. We remove the needle from the fabric half a centimeter ahead and insert it into the fabric at the end of the previous stitch. This stitch is used for stitching the stem or the outline of designs. Number 2. Lazy daisy. At the same point where the thread emerges from the fabric, insert the needle into the fabric and sew 1 centimeter ahead. We pass the thread under the needle and remove the needle completely from the fabric. Insert the needle into the fabric and tighten the end of the stitch. We can also tighten the stitch a little further ahead. Number 3. French knot. Wrap the thread around the needle 2 or 3 times. Insert the needle at the same point where the thread emerges from the fabric. We pull the end of the thread slightly and remove the needle completely. The French knot has many uses in embroidery. Number 4. Simple leaf stitch. This stitch is mostly used for elongated leaves. The stitches are close and compact at the beginning of the leaf and become spaced apart at the end of the leaf. Depending on the shape of the leaf, the size of the stitches varies. Number 5. Stem stitch. Insert the needle into the fabric half a centimeter from the beginning of the stitch. Do not pull it all the way through and make a loop. Bring the needle out through the middle of the two ends of the thread. This time, bring the needle out through the end of the previous stitch. Number 6. Long French knot stitch. This stitch is like a French knot, except that we insert the needle into the fabric at the desired distance from the beginning of the stitch. Number 7. Fishbone stitch leaf. We take the needle out of the tip of the leaf and make a stitch in the first quarter of the top of the leaf. We consider an imaginary leaf inside our leaf and make the stitches on it from the inside. Number 8. Split stitch. This stitch is similar to the back stitch, except that we bring the needle up in the middle of the previous stitch. Number 9. Spiderweb stitch. To sew this simple flower, divide the circle into 5 equal parts. Stitch 1 stitch on each dividing line. Bring the needle out between 2 stitches next to each other. Pass the stitch under the stitch before and after itself as shown in the picture. Repeat this until the circle is filled. Number 10. Blanket stitch. Insert the needle 1/2 centimeter below the tip of the leaf. Bring the needle out from the edge of the leaf and through the loop. Continue stitching at the same distance as before. Stitch the other side of the leaf in the same way.